So you're ready to dive into property investing? That's fantastic. You have definitely made the right choice. But before you make your first move, let's talk about what not to do. And this is very important as I see a lot of beginners make these mistakes over and over again. And these mistakes are only going to cost you your time, your money, and morale. If you can avoid these mistakes, trust me, you are already ahead of the game. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Mistake number one is jumping in blind without the right knowledge. Even the Bible says, "My people perish for the lack of knowledge." Knowledge is key in the world of property investment. And yeah, I know you might be very passionate about property investment. You might love the whole idea of having passive incomes and all that. But at the end of the day, this is business and it needs to be treated as one. If you were to start a business, one of the first thing you do is carry out a feasibility study. You do some research to properly understand the nature of the business. And from that, you can then make some informed decision. Same applies to properties. You need to have a good understanding of what you are investing in, a good understanding of the strategy you're adopting, the laws that governs it, the current market conditions at the time of investment. You need to understand how to calculate if it's a good deal, how to calculate your yield, and how to assess if the area you're investing in is the right one. If you don't understand all this, then I'm sorry to say, you're not investing. You're simply just guessing. And let me tell you, guessing is expensive. So, what should you do? First, invest in yourself. Yes, educate yourself. Read books, watch YouTube videos from credible sources such as this. Take some courses and get some good mentors. Trust me, a bad deal will cost you more than the amount needed to invest in knowledge. Next up, trying to do everything at once. One day it's BRR, next is rent to rent. Then you're talking about these options. Sounds familiar? Look, all these strategies, they work definitely, but not all at once. You have to pick one, learn it, master it. That's how you build momentum. Once you have been able to master a strategy, then you can venture into the next strategy. Remember the saying, Jack of all trades, master of none. Trust me, when you're able to focus on just the strategy, that yields a better output at the end of the day, every single time. Mistake number three, going solo. Always remember that property investing is a team sport. If you're trying to figure out everything on your own, then you're wholly slowing yourself down. You need a power team, a team of brokers, letting agents, solicitors, builders, mentors. You need strong people on your team, people that are experienced and most likely know better than you. Because the truth is, you don't need to know everything, you just need to know who to call. Having a strong power team is your shortcut to success. Mistake number four, buying with emotion. Oh, I love the kitchen. It's just too perfect. Oh, did you see the size of that garden? It's going to be perfect for barbecue Sundays. Nope, this is not your dream home. It is an investment. So treat it as one. Don't get attached. The most important thing is to run your numbers. If they stack up, you are good. If it doesn't cash flow, it's a no. Move on to the next. And talking about the next one, mistake number five, poor analysis. You have got no solid comparables. You are not sure of what the refurb cost will be, assuming it needs one. You have no idea of what the rental demand is in the area. In fact, you have no idea of what's going on in the area. You have no idea of the capital growth in the area. But yet, you still want to buy a property in that place just so you can call yourself a landlord. Again, this is business. It isn't guesswork. If you don't know exactly how you are making your money, or you have no idea how much you are going to be getting per month on the deal, then just don't buy it. Simple. When you want to buy a property, ensure you do the needful, ensure your deal stacks, ensure you have a good exit strategy, know the returns on your investment. It is important. So those are the five big mistakes I see in property investing. Avoid this and you are on the right track to building a beautiful, profitable portfolio. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or DM me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ensure to subscribe for more property tips like this. I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.